Here is the default Premiere Pro workspace. The menu bar at the very top shows some core functions like saving your project and exporting the MP4 format. Below the menu bar are your standard preset workspaces. The two more important preset workspaces are effects, where you can create stuff like special visuals, and essential graphics, such as editing text. You can add or change preset workspaces at any time. Below these are the four main workspace panels: the Program panel, the Timeline panel, the Project panel, and the Source Monitor panel. Additionally, the Toolbox panel contains tools for editing your clips, which we will explore later. Those on the right, the Program and Timeline panels, are the most important. The Program panel is where your audio or video clip will play, and where you can edit the clip itself, whether by moving the position, scaling the clip size, adding text, and more. The Timeline panel is where you compile your entire video, such as adding or removing clips, trimming clip length, adding audio or video tracks, and ensuring everything syncs up nicely. That's it for the introduction, and thanks for watching. Check out part 2 for my step-by-step guide on using Premiere Pro